Hi everyone, welcome to another OnSide YouTube video. Today we're going to be looking at property rules. So just before we get started, property rules is a new feature that we have which lets every visitor know the rules and general information for your property, and you can also easily add or remove them depending on the situation, so if it's temporary or if it's permanent. So to start off with, you're going to need to do this as a web admin, so you need to log in through the website. Okay, and you go over to your property and you'll see the new property rules tab. Just go into that. So I'm going to let's go with tree felling. I want to keep people clear of the trees as they're dropping. And let's say there is stand clear of falling trees. I like that. Let's just also put take care with debris. Done. Okay, so now you also get the option of adding two files. So they can be JPEG files or a PDF. So a PDF is great if you want to add a bit of extra information for your property. So for example, you find that people are parking where they shouldn't, or they're getting lost entering or exiting, navigating your property. You can use this property rule specifically for that. It's absolutely fantastic to do that. So I'm going to do a tree felling picture. And I'm also going to do a property guide as well, just to help people navigate the property. So let's name them first. So let's go tree felling and property guide. Done. Save changes. Easy as that. All right, let's take a look and see how that looks on the app.
All right, so let's jump into the app and sign into my property. I've got a couple of risks there that I'm already aware of. Sign in. I'll be here for an hour. And there is my property rule. So tree felling and the instructions: stand clear of falling trees and take care with debris. So then I've got two documents here. The one on the left is the picture of the tree felling, in this case trimming. And the one on the right is the property guide for people who keep getting lost on my property. So jump into the property guide. Nice and easy. Enter from the left, follow the path, exit to the right. So very helpful if all of your contractors go to the same place or follow the same route. And obviously for new people going to the property as well. But also parking on your property, you can easily show them where they need to go. So let's go out of that. Right, so this is also very, very helpful for biosecurity incursions. So for example, if you have velvet leaf present on your property, just put in velvet leaf, please wash machinery before and after use, and anything else that you feel is necessary or relevant. And you can also upload the PDF there, more about velvet leaf, if you feel that's necessary as well. So then got it, and it takes you back to the normal OnSide screen. The visitor would then do their work, come back to the app, sign out, and that's it. So that is property rules for OnSide. Thanks.